Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into how we can use multiple attributes in CSS selector. What is the multiple attributes? If you want to mention class or name or ID, so I want to mention all the locator value in single XPath way or CSS selector. How we can use multiple attributes? Let's see. So here multiple attributes means see here I am combined both class and name attribute and attribute value also. So how we can implement in application? Let's see. We can see in practical manner. So I'm going to be take Anthro application. So the same way now I'm going to be take multiple attributes for this email ID text box. Here we can see name attribute is available, ID is available, and class also available. Okay, but all attribute, what is the tag? Input tag. So I'm going to be take input tag. Here I'm going to be use first ID locator. So for that reason I mention hash symbol. Okay, so here you can, okay, sorry, if you want to use ID or class name, that time we can use hash and dot. Here we are going to be use multiple attributes. So now use bracket symbol. Here first I'm going to be mention ID locator. Can use ID locator. So it will be highlighted. I didn't mention any at symbol also. I just simply mention tag name and attribute value. Okay, so again I'm going to be mention what is available, name attribute. Okay, so here use name attribute. So again you can use bracket symbol for each and every attribute. You can close and open brackets. Okay, so now I mention ID and name, two attribute. Again I'm going to be mention class attribute. Got it? So here I just remove for why I'm removing, for taking this element value. Okay, so again I'm going to be mention class attribute. So again what I'm going to be do, open and close bracket, paste it. See, now for only one element I'm taking three attribute. So this is the multiple attribute you are going to be used in CSS selector. Okay, I'm going to be copy. So here again I'm going to be paste it. Okay, driver dot find element by dot CSS selector use. It will be lengthy. Okay, so put on send keys. Send case. Here I'm going to be mention multiple attributes at gmail.com. So I just give invalid one. Okay, for I'm just showing to you. Oh, just to clear up. Okay, just maximize it. I'm just command remaining three lines. I'm going to be automate only for email ID input box. Okay, I just show to you how it will be work, the multiple attributes here. Okay, here I'm going to be put on send keys. multiple tree gmail.com, like, okay, this is the invalid one. So after enter the send keys, okay, this also I'm just command it, okay. So sorry, so this is the password one, okay. See, after launch the application, I'm going to be entered that username or email ID. Then I'm going to be click on login button. Okay. So remaining lines I commented. Now I am going to be check whether this multiple attributes working or not. Okay. I just remove this one. Put on single quotes, that is the enough. Okay. Now I'm going to be run it. Let's see how this multiple attributes work in Anthra.com. See, it will be entered, right? Multiple at gmail.com. It will be work. So this is the way we are going to be implement for using the multiple attribute. Okay. Next is very important interview questions. What is, for example, you are having table format. Okay, in the table format we can see all the attribute value is same. Then how you can select the specific value using the CSS selector. So this is the question, how you can answer this one. Okay, here I'm given one example. This is the table format. Here I'm using TDS tag name, the classes attribute and given attribute value. Here I defined 5 different attribute, sorry, the 5 class attribute, the class attribute having same attribute value. Okay, here I'm going to be select first 2 rows and the last 3 I'm going to be ignore. Okay, how I can select the first 2 rows using CSS selector. Okay, so this is the format. For example, you can see driver dot find element by dot CSS selector. Here I'm going to be use TD class and star. What is the star? Star means contains. So what are the words contains in class attribute? So that reason I'm using star. Okay. Then equal, you can mention attribute value. So here you can notice 5 tags available. Inside 5 tags, the last 3 tag only available. The word is college list 111. Correct? But first 2 rows does not contain any college list word. Okay. So based on this college list one word only, I'm going to be deferred first 2 rows and last 3 rows. Okay. Here in computer department data, this word will contain the 5 rows, but last 3 rows contain another word also. Okay, don't be confused, but here I'm going to be mentioned in computer department data what are the rows contains this word. I'm going to be select that row. Okay, put on colon. Not means what. If you don't want select any other specific value, in that case I'm going to be use not. Not, you can open bracket, then you can open square bracket, the same the class attribute star. What are the word contains? So that reason I'm using star equal. So here I'm going to be use college list. So what are the attribute value contain college list word? Those rows please select, which means don't select those rows. So that reason I'm going to be use not and those word. Okay, so here notice clearly here it will be select in computer department data rows only. The same time it will be ignore what are the rows contain college list. Okay, so this is the structure we are going to be follow for selecting the specific value. If in case all the attribute having the same attribute value, that time you are going to be select any specific value, means you can use this format in CSS selector. Okay, why I'm going to be tell in this theoretical manner means here I don't have I'm not able to find a specific application for looking this kind of attribute. Okay, so that reason I just created by myself. Okay, I just created and save it in my notepad, and I just tell you. Okay, so this is the very important, guys. You can notice and you can remember. Okay, thank you.